Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So I just made a video on this credit card, but for some reason my sound was out. So I want to just redo this video really quickly for you guys. But I want to talk to you guys about the Upgrade Triple Cash Rewards credit card. Now this credit card, you guys, you can see right here, they said you can get a limit from $500 up to $25,000, but you can actually get a limit up to $50,000, and we'll go over that later. But I always tell people, if you have a good TransGender credit score over 580, then I'd suggest that you guys apply for this credit card. Now, the Upgrade credit card isn't new, so it's been around before. But now with this credit card, you can actually get 3% cash back on different categories. So that's like the new thing. At first, the old credit cards, you can get 1% back, but with this credit card, you can actually get 3% credit card. You can get 3% cash back. So let's get into all the details on this credit card. So with this credit card, they're saying that they're not going to charge you any fees to sign up for the credit card. It's going to be a Visa credit card. So anywhere the Visa is accepted, you guys will be able to use this credit card. Now, don't forget, you guys will get 1% cash back on everything. So everything that you anything that you purchase, you guys will get 1% cash back, but you guys will get the 3% cash back on home, health, and auto, those different categories. And you can see right here, these are the different like stores that you can actually get the cash back from. So if you shop at these different stores, then most likely you guys will be able to get that 3% cash back. Now, I told you guys you will be able to get approve up to $50,000, and those details are actually right here at the bottom. So they said that they can approve you up to $50,000. They have a different, let me actually zoom in. So you can get different APR depending on your credit. So when you apply for this, you will have to apply with a soft pull, but your APR, your annual percentage rate will be 8.99% to 29.99%. And again, your line of credit will be from $500 to $50,000. Now, I know I told you guys, like, this is a credit card, but this is actually, it's a credit card, but the payments on this is different. So say if you get this credit card, right, they approve you for $15,000. They approve you for $10,000, right? Throughout the month, when you make different purchases, say you make all together in that month, you spend $1,000, they're actually going to take that out of your credit limit, but they're going to package it as a personal loan. So they're going to package it as a personal loan, and then they're going to ask you, hey, how would you like to pay this off? You would have different payment options like, hey, you got 12 months, 24 months, 36 months to actually pay this off. So it'll be like a personal loan, and that personal loan will actually be reported to the credit bureaus. Now, with the old account, you weren't able to actually have it like revolving. So after you was to spend the money, you will no longer have it available. But with this one, after say you spend $1,000, you able, even if they give you 12 months to pay it back, even if they give you 2 years to pay it back, 24 months, I really think you guys should pay it back, pay your balance off right away, especially because of the interest rate on this card. So if you guys were to pay back your installment loan, that money will then be available again. So this one is kind of like a revolving, other than the other one, it wasn't so much of a revolving, but this one is more of a revolving, which is really great for those people that, maybe you need to just use it right now. Maybe you have an emergency, and that's good that it's a personal loan too, because you don't have to worry about, maybe you need to push it out for 36. Maybe you need to push it out for 36 months. You're going to most likely pay less than if you were to just to keep it there. You used to just have that on a regular credit card. Whatever you charge off, you paying off in the 36 months. You have your regular credit card and just make the minimum payment. So that's the reason why they have it as like a personal loan. Now, don't forget, you guys, with this, it is a soft pull. So let's go over the application and I'll show you what I mean by it's a soft pull. So if you guys want to get approved for this credit card, all you have to do is just click Get Started. After you guys click Get Started, what you have to do is just put your basic information in. So you need to put your first name in, you need to put your last name in, and then make sure all the information I'm telling you need to put in, make sure that you guys are putting in the same information that's actually on your credit reports. So first name, last name, put your address in. If you guys move to a new address and the credit bureaus do not know about that address, it's probably going to be harder for you to even get pre-approved for this credit card. You want to make sure that address is added to your credit reports. So put your address in with your city, state, and zip code. Put your date of birth in, and then you can put your annual income in. Now, if you're self-employed, make sure you read the frequently asked questions, and they'll tell you more about that. And you can include your alimony, child support, or like a separate maintenance income if you wish for that to be considered. And any additional income, some people, they may be a college student, maybe they get money from their parents. Whatever additional income that you have, you can actually add that here. But make sure you put all the income that you have, because don't forget, with income, they want to know that you can pay back anything that you can get, any amount that you may be able to get. So make sure that you put everything down. And the reason why I say put everything down, because the more income you have, the better off you will be in terms of getting approved for a high or limit credit card. So go ahead and put all your income in, and then you'll put your email address in here, and then you'll put a password in right here. But make sure you remember this information. Now, this is going to be a soft pull, and it's going to be a soft pull on your Transgender credit report. Now, with a soft pull, you're not going to get a hard inquiry. It shouldn't drop your credit score. They just basically getting a soft pull of what's going on with your credit. And they'll let you know, hey, you're pre-approved for this amount. They'll let you know exactly how much you're pre-approved for. And then after they tell you how much you pre-approved for, you can go on later on with the next steps if you agree to it. So say if you get approved for if you get approved for $15,000, you're like, okay, yeah, I want to actually get this card. Then at that point, you're going to get a hard inquiry, and you're going to get a hard inquiry on your TransUnion credit report. I really suggest you guys have at least a 580 credit score if you want to get approved for this credit card. But again, if you want like a higher limit, don't forget, higher limits is going to be based off of your payment history. It's going to be based off of how much you have coming in. And then also it's going to be based off of your income. So you want to make sure that you put all your income in here. So don't forget, it's a credit card, but it will report like personal loans. So everything that you buy within that month, they're going to put it all together. And then after they put it together into a personal loan, then they'll let you know how long you have to actually pay that off. But if you guys want more details, make sure you guys go to this website for the credit card. And if you have any questions, go ahead and drop those questions down below. And don't forget, you guys, I have my exclusive membership where you guys can start working on your credit. When I say working on your credit, you can start removing the negative accounts from your credit reports. You can learn about different credit cards you can apply for. And also, if you guys want to work on your credit yourself, I have so many letters there for you guys where you guys can get all of the letters and start disputing those negative accounts to get it removed from your credit reports. But if you're one of my exclusive members, here you go, a t-shirt. I have my t-shirt on now, matter of fact. But if you're part of my exclusive membership, you guys have an option to get a free t-shirt, and you guys will have an option to get free credit repair if that's something that you guys want, to start removing like the bankruptcies, charge-offs, repossessions, those different things from your credit reports. But don't forget, you guys, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And if anybody watched the last video where for some reason the sound was messed up, I'm so sorry about that. Hopefully this actually answered all the questions that you have. But if you have any additional questions, let me know. Drop them down in the comments. Bye-bye.